And now on Pet Pals TV, our friend and his friend, this is Tom Dock, who is the
Director of Communications for Noah's Animal Hospital.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
Okay, who we got here?
This is Lord Kratos the Omnipotent, good boy. He's on because, one, he's a purebred dog, and we're going to talk about purebred dogs today.
Right.
And he's also the mascot for a local soccer team, so he gets lots of attention whenever he goes to the games and stuff.
And he's just one of 4 that you have.
He's one of 4. Yeah, we'll show some pictures of those.
Okay. Yeah. Now, we're here to talk about something serious, cancer, especially in larger dogs. I know Bernese Mountain Dogs, which is the breed that I love as well, they tend to have it as well. It runs through the breed. Tell me about it. What do we need to know?
Sure. So a study just came out about 2 months ago, and basically it said that purebred dogs are almost twice as likely to get cancer than a crossbreed or a mixed breed dog.
Really? Wow.
Now we got to be careful because they took all the breeds together, right?
Yeah.
There are some breeds like Bernese Mountain Dogs, boxers, beagles, golden retrievers that are much more likely. But there's other breeds, especially smaller ones like Pomeranians, Chihuahuas, French Bulldogs. Yeah, we're talking about a bad thing, buddy. That aren't quite as likely to get cancer. So don't shy away from a breed if you love a breed just because you saw that report.
And go to a responsible breeder. That means you get to see the mom dog, see where the dog was born, and get full health records, which is what I did with Stewie.
Right.
So I know his lineage better than I know my own. Also, it's important if you noticed a bump or a lump to do what?
Right. Get those bumps and lumps checked out. Okay. So often we look at a little bump, especially on a big dog like this, and we say, "Gosh, I don't need to do anything about that, do I?" But it might be just a cyst. It could be a mast cell tumor. So we want to get it checked out, and what that means is your veterinarian may need to stick a needle in it and do a cytology. They may need to take it off and do a biopsy. Don't shy away from that. I mean, our eyes aren't microscopes, our fingers aren't microscopes. Many of these things look very similar, so get those lumps and bumps checked out.
Okay, and to catch it early, and that's the best thing, right?
Right. Get in twice a year to see your veterinarian, right, Kratos?
Right? Oh,
No.
This is a commentary on our segment here. I'm going to sleep. Thank you, Tom Dock. Always good advice. Yes, check with your veterinarian, make sure everything's okay. And also, your groomer, too, can feel things that maybe you can't. So check that out. We'll be back with more on
Pet Pals TV. You ready? Let's go.